Ito yung Arnis outside defense number 8. Number 8. Ito yung tinatawag na kneel down. Okay? Hang! Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, ito, lagyan nyo ng pressure, kneel down, may pressure disarm yung Arnis. Okay? Basic. Side step, downward looking. Hold mo to, palm strike, then cross leg, tapos pressure papunta doon sa baba para disarm. Okay? Dito yung pressure dahil sa chest. Okay? Ano mga malaki chest ha? Balik ko ito tayo. Okay na. Dito tayo gawin. Okay, ito yung kabilang side. Titignan nyo yung pressure. Ito, nakasangkalan yung shoulder at saka dito sa kabilang legs ko. Pag ito, pinressure ko pababa yung chest, pag lumuta ko, sa natulak, masakit na yan. Dito, magaganon yung kanyang braso mababuit. Okay? Basic. Outside, bumper looking, palm heel, step, cross leg, twist. Kasi nyo, marami kang pwede gawin. Okay? Okay. Disarming Arnis number 9. Outside defense. Okay? Basic. Outside step. Tapos dito, yung downward looking, palm strike, hooking elbow. Ganyan dyan. Then, pag ito kinuha nyo, tanggal, balik mo, palm, kahit ano. Okay? Dito ako nakagay. Outside, palm. Okay? Dito na, no? Outside, basic, palm strike, hooking dito, kuha ito, tanggal yan, then, okay, wow. Disarming Arnis outside defense number 10. Ito yung tinatawag ko na genital pulling. Okay? Narinig ko yun. Nakaligtas yung break mo. Okay, ito yung lang. Side defense, palm strike, shoot, sabay, then pulling pataas, masakit yun, halo, move. Okay? Kayaan mo na lang din. Okay? Basic. Outside, step, palm strike, shoot, buwa dito, genital pull. Disarming Arnis. Inside defense naman to, number 11. Ito yung tinatawag na rolling arm. Okay? Basic. Inside defense, inside, step, downward looking, then palm strike. Pag na-palm strike nyo to, tapos chain hold, then lagay nyo to dito, paiputin nyo, palm, tanggal, balik mo sa leg niya, ipalo mo, palm, palm. Okay? Okay, inside defense, Arnis number 11. Okay? Basic. Basic. Inside. On the strike. Chain hold. Rolling arm. arm. Okay?